Proponents of increasing our exports of natural gas and coal stress that exports can help our balance of trade and create new economic opportunities. Opponents raise a number of concerns ranging from potential environmental harm to price impacts for U.S. consumers and manufacturers. In my view, a key factor on this issue, as on so many other energy issues, is climate change. Climate change is the biggest energy challenge we face. We can't have a conversation about America's energy policy without also having a conversation about climate change. The energy policy decisions we make today will have an impact on whether we can prevent the worst impacts of climate change in the future. We need to understand and weigh those risks. Otherwise, we're in danger of locking in infrastructure that will produce carbon pollution for decades to come, or creating stranded investments that must be shut down before they've served their useful life. Last week, the International Energy Agency released a report concluding that the world is not on track to meet the goal of limiting global average temperature to rise no below 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit above the pre-industrial levels. Climate scientists tell us that if global average temperatures increase beyond this threshold, society will face devastating impacts. It is not too late to keep temperatures below the most dangerous levels if we act now to cut carbon pollution. The International Energy Agency found that taking key actions now to reduce emissions could be done at no net economic cost, while delay would impose trillions of dollars in costs on society. It's through that lens we need to examine whether to construct new export terminals to ship America's natural gas and coal overseas. Liquefied natural gas and coal export terminals are huge, multi-billion-dollar investments that will last for decades. It would make no sense to build these facilities only to find out that they are unsustainable because of the climate implications. I have an open mind about natural gas exports. Natural gas combustion for electricity emits less carbon pollution than coal. If natural gas exports displace coal consumption, that could produce a significant net climate benefit, especially if we tackle the problem of fugitive methane emissions. On the other hand, if natural gas exports raise gas prices in the United States, that could cause some utilities to switch back to coal, erasing some of the carbon pollution reductions that our country has recently achieved. We should fully understand these climate impacts before these facilities are built, not after.